Hi guys, and welcome to this video. So I stumbled on this landing page some days ago and I decided I was going to make a video about this landing page, so we can just talk about landing page and the importance of landing page for your business. So if you're watching this right now, maybe you're watching this on YouTube or wherever you're watching this, just support me by dropping a like and subscribing. Okay, if you're watching this on YouTube, kindly subscribe and make sure to turn on the notification bell. If you're watching from anywhere else, if you can give it a like, give it a like. If you have comments or you have questions for me, drop it. We want to talk about landing pages and the importance of landing page for your business. All right, now we are just using this landing page as a case study. So you might be wondering, maybe you've heard about building websites for your business or building landing page for your business, and you're wondering what exactly is the difference between the two. Now let me explain to you. A website is a full functional location online where you can actually place your products, talk about your products and your businesses, and have other things that are displayed on your website. Okay, that is a website, but a landing page actually is a little bit different from that. Why did I say so? A landing page just allows people to take one action, a particular action. Unlike a website, you are going to be seeing different pages. You're going to see the about page, you're going to see the services page, you're going to see the contact form, you're going to see testimonials, and maybe even blog, depending on what the website is all about. But for a landing page, it is basically for the visitors to take just one action. That action may be to join a class, as you can see here, or maybe the action can be just to order now, in the case of those who want to go into e-commerce or maybe online store, right? So I just want to do a quick analysis of what a landing page is for those of you who are going to be building landing pages for your business. Now, if you look at this landing page that you can see, this landing page is owned by KMG, and KMG is actually a very good person when it comes to training people on how to sell digital products online. As you can see now, this is a landing page which is about her YouTube training that is actually ongoing. I don't know of now, but as at the time of, I don't know of later, but as at the time of making this video, the YouTube training is ongoing. Okay, so let's just do a little analysis of what the landing page is. You can see now the elements of a good landing page is all displayed here on this page. As you can see from the beginning, you can see the heading, a subheading which says finally revealed, and then a big heading that is telling people discover how to earn your first $100 and above from YouTube. And then we are seeing a subheading that says steal my exact easy to apply secrets to build your own successful YouTube channel, even if you have zero experiences. All of these things that I've read now are all part of the heading. Okay, they are all part of the heading. So you can use a big heading and a subheading to buttress your points as your heading, and then what is following it next is the call to action button which says join the class now. And then the next thing you're seeing is her image. Okay, her image here, and then here is telling us another button here says what you will be learning in this training. Now you can see secret 1 is the offers, secret 2 is the offer, and another secret 3 is another offer. So these are the things that people are going to see and they will say, oh wow, I want to join this training. And then you can see a testimonial here, or let's say a proof that actually she's good at what she does. And then the next thing we see immediately after that is like a caveat. Yeah, a caveat, or how do you pronounce that? Is a caveat that actually warns people. Let's read it together. It says, please note, after this training, after this free training, I will present an opportunity for you to work with me to turn your WhatsApp into a daily sales generating machine. And this offer will cost you a small commitment fee. If you have a problem with me making an offer after you have learned a lot from me for free, please do not click any of the buttons on this page. But if you are smart entrepreneur, if you're a smart entrepreneur that understands the power of having the right information, click the button below. Let's get started. What she is doing here is actually a caveat and a warning to pre-qualify unserious persons. All right. One of the problems or one of the challenges with other people who are doing their landing pages is that they create landing pages without a caveat. And so if you create a landing page without a caveat, you have a lot of people just joining your group. Some will join because they just want to join. Some will join because they want to see what is going on in the group. Some will join thinking it is all free. They will not pay anything. So this caveat actually warns people that, okay, even if you are joining the group, it is going to be free. But at the end of it, you will pay something if you really want to go through my training. That's what she's trying to do here. So this is very, very good. A very good way for you to pre-qualify and sieve out unserious people from whatever you're doing online. Is a very good element to add to your landing page. And at the end here, it says, warning, access to this training won't last for long. Don't miss out. So she's letting you know that you need to take action very, very fast. So all of these things you are seeing now are the elements that makes your landing page to convert very, very fast. If I'm going to go over it again, you can see number one, the heading. All right. Number two is the call to action. Number three is the image. In some cases, you can add a video to this if you want to really make this convert. And then the next thing is your offers. And remember, your offers has to be very, very irresistible. Okay, you must make the people understand that what they are getting is very, very valuable. That is the only reason why they are going to join your training. And then the next thing you can see, which is another element, is a proof. Okay, a proof can be a screenshot or testimonials of what your clients are saying about your business. And then the next thing is the caveat, and then something to make them quickly rush and join the training. Are you seeing this now? So this is exactly what a good landing page should be doing. Now, just to wrap this up, if you want to learn how to create this landing page, I am going to be giving you an opportunity to learn from me. You can actually learn how to build this, and in less than 48 hours, you can learn how to build this and even start making money from this skill. Even if you've never done any stuff online, you've never made money online, or maybe you don't have any tech skill, or you just want to learn something that can help you to be earning money for yourself, then this is a skill that you should really learn for 2025 and beyond. Okay, so with this skill, you can actually make from, let's say, 100k to 200k to 500k, depending on the client. You can make $100, you can make $200, you can make $500 and above, because affiliate marketers, business owners, professionals, people who are into e-commerce business, they are going to be needing this landing page skill. So if you know how to do this, you can actually make a lot of money for yourself. So if you want to learn how this works, you want to learn how to build this, then just go to the link below this video. Go to the link. If you're watching this outside YouTube, go to the link below this video. If you're watching this on YouTube, go to the link in the description or check the pinned post. I'm going to pin a link to the comment section. Check the pinned post in the comment section and you're going to find the access link there. So that link is going to take you to where you're going to get access to the video of how to build a landing page. This is going to cost some money. It is not free. All right, it's going to cost some money. So once you click the link, you go there, you make your payments, and you're going to be given access to the full video about how to build a landing page. This is all I'm going to take for this video right now. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of the video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.